NVM Paving presents 6 tips to protect your asphalt in the winter. Number 1. Make repairs before winter begins. Number 2. Remove all debris that could freeze to the asphalt. Number 3. Check for standing water that could freeze and crack the asphalt. Number 4. Remove snow consistently to prevent it from melting and refreezing. Number 5. Use de-icing products but avoid ones that contain harsh chemicals. Lastly, remember to apply sealant to prevent further damage. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to use NVM Paving for all of your commercial asphalt needs.